Welcome to the Suite Matrix channel. Today, we'll guide you through NetSuite Bin Management basics and show you how to set up your warehouse for success. Let's dive in. Are you struggling to keep your warehouse organized and efficient? Wondering how to maximize your operations and reduce overhead costs? Today, we're diving into NetSuite's Bin Management, a powerful feature designed to help businesses like yours enhance warehouse efficiency. NetSuite's Bin Management allows you to track inventory more accurately by categorizing products into designated bins. Each bin can hold specific items, facilitating easy location and retrieval. This system not only improves inventory accuracy, but also provides real-time insights into stock levels. So, what are the direct benefits? When implementing bin management in NetSuite, consider these best practices. Standardize your bins. Use consistent naming conventions to make it easier for staff to understand the layout. Regular training. Conduct training sessions to ensure your team knows how to use the system effectively. Utilize automation. Leverage automated tools within NetSuite to continuously monitor inventory levels and alert staff on low-stock items. Let's talk about real-world applications. Warehouse managers who have adopted NetSuite's bin management have reported up to 30% improvements in fulfillment speed. Automation has also allowed them to focus on strategic tasks rather than mundane inventory counting. By integrating NetSuite's bin management system into your operations, don't let inefficiencies hold your business back. Take advantage of technology designed for streamlined operations. In this video, I'll guide you on how to maximize warehouse efficiency using bin management. To enable features, go to Setup, click Company, and then Enable Features. Under the Items and Inventory subtab, ensure that the inventory box is checked before enabling bin management. To activate basic or advanced bin management, select the bin management option. For advanced functionality, check the Advanced Bin/Numbered Inventory Management box. To configure bin preferences, go to Setup, click Accounting, and then click Accounting Preferences. Click on the Items Transactions subtab and select the Use Preferred Bin on Item Receipts checkbox. Click Save. Once this preference is activated, the bin field on item receipts will automatically default to the preferred bin. To create a bin record, navigate to Lists, Supply Chain, Bins New. In the bin number field, input a number or code. For instance, I will use BIN001 number sign and choose the warehouse as US1. Click Save. To set up item records for bins, go to Lists, click Accounting, and then Items. Click Edit for the item ACE USPG 348Q Row G, Swift 34, Curved 21-9, QHDI PSG Sync Monitor. Under the Purchasing Inventory subtab, you'll see that there are 235 units in stock at the US1 location. To link the item with bins, check the Use Bins checkbox and click OK on the pop-up message. Next, navigate to the Bin Numbers subtab, set the location to US1, and assign the bin number as BIN001 number sign, which we created earlier for this location. Then check the Preferred checkbox. Note that you can only designate one preferred bin per location. For all receiving and fulfillment transactions, including the put-away worksheet, NetSuite will use the preferred bin as the default for the item. Finally, click Save. To update a put-away worksheet, navigate to Transactions, click Inventory, and then select Bin Put-Away Worksheet. In the Bin Put-Away Worksheet page, select the warehouse as US1, and the items without bin assignments for that location will be displayed. Click on Inventory Details to open the Inventory Detail pop-up window. The preferred bin will appear, and I'll assign 235 units to bin 001 hash. After that, click OK and save the Bin Put-Away worksheet. To review the changes, go to the Item Record in the Recent tabs. In the Item Record, click the Purchasing Inventory subtab and then select Bin Numbers. you'll see that 235 units have been allocated to the BIN001 number bin. Yes, we've successfully shown how NetSuite's bin management boosts warehouse efficiency and inventory accuracy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into maximizing your business potential with NetSuite. Have questions or want to share your experiences with bin management? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.